my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your home. So, children, today we will discuss our new chapter, that is air and water. Students, air is all around us. We can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. All plants, animals, and human beings need air to live. What does air contain? Air contains tiny dust particles. Have you seen smoke coming out of vehicles and factories? Where does this smoke go? It gets mixed with the air. Taking in smoke is not good for health. There are germs in the air that can make you ill. You should always cover your mouth while you cough, yawn, or sneeze. Have you noticed wet cloths dry under the sun? Where does this water go? It goes into the air and forms water vapor. Thus, air contains water vapor, keeping air clean. We need air to live. We must keep it clean. Here are some ways in which we can help keep the air clean. Number 1. Repair our vehicles if they give out too much smoke. Build factories far away from residential areas. Plant more trees as they help in cleaning the air. Now, sources of water. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fills puddles, ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers. We can see the water on the surface of the earth. This is called surface water. We build dams and canals to use surface water. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. We get groundwater from wells and pumps. The water we get in our taps comes from both surface water and groundwater. Now, saving water. Water is useful for all living things. We should not waste water. We can save water in following ways. Number 1, we should take bath using a bucket and mug. We should not let the tap run while brushing or bathing. We must close the tap after use. We must get leaking taps repaired. We should water the plants using a bucket and mug. Now, forms of water. Water is liquid. When water is cooled, it changes into ice. Ice is hard. Ice is a solid. When ice melts, it changes into water. When water is heated, it changes into steam or vapor. This is called evaporation. Steam or vapor is the gas form of water. When vapor is cooled, it changes into water. This is called condensation. Thus, water has 3 different forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Water cycle in nature. 3/4 of the earth is sea filled with water. The heat of the sun changes water into vapor. This vapor rises high up and forms the clouds. When the clouds gets cooled, vapor changes into water which rains. This rain water flows and reaches the sea through rivers. Thus, water goes from sea to land and land to sea. It makes a water cycle. The water cycle is repeated year after year. Student, our chapter 11 is completed. I'm giving you some assignment questions, your class chapter exercise. Do all your work in your science notebook and complete your work as soon as possible. And please learn this poem of your chapter